Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you does Vivo V30 support wireless charging. Here you will see these are the specifications of Vivo V30. Here in the down, these are the specification. Here you will see this is the battery section. The charging power. V30 is equipped with a Vivo standard charger which support a charging power up to 80 volt, 11V slash 7.3A. The actual charging power is dynamically adjusted as the battery level changes and is subjected to actual use. So here you will see the Vivo V30 equipped with a standard charger. So the standard charger of Vivo V30 is the wired charger. So here you will see it is not mentioned that the Vivo V30 support wireless charging. So the answer of your question is no. The Vivo V30 does not support wireless charging. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.